Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this button. You can just attach it with the two yarn tails. I'm going to be using this on my daughter's jacket that I'm making because I don't have any buttons the right size. You can also use this on the face mask extender. You would just chain a bit more to make sure the button fits through. Okay, all you need is some cotton yarn, a yarn needle. I'm using a 3mm crochet hook and some scissors. Okay, to start, leave a long tail, make a slip knot, and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go back into the first chain that you made and make a slip stitch. Right, chain 1, and then you want to go in all of those chains in the center. You want to make 10 half double crochets. So yarn over, go into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. So yarn over, go into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, and then I want you to slip stitch to that first one. Chain 1. And then we're just going to half double crochet over these, so we're not going to go into the tops of the chain. We're going to go back into the center again. So yarn over, back into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so I managed to make 15 more half double crochets around. I'm just going to slip stitch to that first one. Then I'm going to pull this tail, the starting tail. It should close up a bit. Cut the yarn. And I'm just going to move this yarn tail to the back, and then I'll use these yarn tails to attach the button. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.